Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss how to fix grinding noises in GE washing machines and the common causes of the issue. Let's get started. The grinding noise in the GE washing machine may be caused by unremoved transportation material from the appliance or the washer being unbalanced. To fix the noises, remove the transportation material. Styrofoam materials, cardboard, or a shipping rod come with the appliance to enhance its transportation safety. To remove the rod, examine the appliance side for a loop attached to the shipping rod. Pull the loop outwards to pull the rod from the appliance. There might be some resistance. Level the appliance. Ensure the appliance is on a hard, flat surface. Ascertain that all the leveling legs are touching the ground evenly by diagonally holding two corners on opposite ends and rock the appliance back and forth. If the appliance rocks, place a level on the top panel front to back and side to side. Use a wrench to adjust the leveling legs while referring to the level. Tighten the locking nuts on the leveling legs to lock the levels. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.